Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is Edamame Energy Bowl. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Eight ounces frozen edamame without shells, heated. 1 cup quinoa, cooked. 4 ounces celery, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup of green onion, chopped. 1/2 cup shredded carrot. 1 gala apple, diced. 1 avocado, sliced. 1/2 cup sliced almond. The dressing consists of 1 medium lemon juice, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Now we are going to add all the salad's ingredients into the dressing. Celery, carrot, apple, almond, edamame, avocado, and green onions, quinoa. We're going to mix everything really well. And then you can chill in the fridge for 20 minutes before you're serving, if you prefer. Just like that.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.